I'm so excited to be talking about Design Camp and High Point Market. I just know that I can't even look at a High Point post without seeing this VIP blog. Please tell me what that is. Please tell me what you're doing.
It is a very exciting thing that we are really happy to be involved in. Deb and I have been doing tours in the United States. She's been doing tours across Europe for many years now. And what we're doing now is putting those skills to use at High Point Market. And we are working with High Point Market officially, which is a great thing for us, to bring new design blood to the campus of High Point Market.
Which is great.
And what we're trying to do is open up those doors to people who thought that design or High Point Market was not for them. So there's a lot of designers out there that haven't been because they thought it's the old High Point of yesteryear, where you couldn't buy from major vendors, you couldn't even go into some showrooms. Many people may have even gone 10 or 15 years ago and thought it wasn't for them. So we're bringing them back. The only requirement is you either have never been to High Point or haven't been in 5 years.
Okay.
So we have a group of 20, because really 5 years ago it was a completely different landscape.
Totally, right.
Yeah. High Point now is so design-centric, so friendly to designers, and that's the picture that we want to portray to the design community and let them know that this is not just a retail playground anymore.
I love that, because you know that the market is open arms with you guys to do that, and like you said, it's scary. It's the biggest market. It's a city. It's not just buildings that you might have to navigate. I mean, you are trying to find your way around a city, and I think it's absolutely the best place to start. I would have done it if it had been my first market by far. Very, very exciting.
Yeah, and nobody wants to go to the prom alone, right? I mean, you not only do you need a date, but you need a limo full of friends where you're going to go and have a great time, so you don't feel that initial, sense of fear and, just not belonging. So we're going to give these people their own sort of tribe and let them loose on High Point. It's going to be crazy.
It is going to be crazy, and I love that you're leading it. And we have our own tribe. We have our campers, and you've been a camper, and we love having you. You're a camper. And we have our campus crew, and the group of people that like to hear what we have to say, and we bring them the absolute top professionals, the best in their field. So we're bringing them you, and we're bringing them Deb Barrett to share. So give us a little sneak peek of what you're going to share with our campers.
Well, we're going to be talking about global trends, and Deb is a fantastic trend forecaster. She attends all of the international shows. I've been to a few, but I don't get to as many as she does. So what we're going to be doing is tracking the trends from about September of last year through to Milan, which is actually going to be a preview, which I think is in 2 weeks. So you're going to get a first look there on some of the great stuff. And the thing that the European shows do that the United States shows don't do is they really do super in-depth trend analysis. And they translate it in a way that designers can understand it visually. And so it's really a wonderful way to see what's going to be coming down the pipe to us in maybe a year, year and a half, 2 years.
Perfect.
So you have that heads up for your clients.
Okay, well, I'm super excited because, we'll be doing that in the Jaipur showroom, which is a very global international showroom. So it's perfect for talking about trends. And you're right, we really cover that so loosely in our markets. We attempt to, but because they are the front runner, that's where you need to be. And so who better to get our little spies like you and Deb to share some of that information with us. That's awesome.
The more that we can work together, it's such a positive thing for me. And I'm sure for you, being in the business for a long time, we remember that landscape of, zero collaboration, and it was a paranoid sort of crazy world there. And it's so different now, and I just absolutely love it. I can't imagine if I were a young designer now, how exciting that would be for me, starting.
Absolutely. And I'm right there with you. And like you, anybody from brand new to seasoned designers, we embrace, and we look forward to seeing everybody. I wish you the best of luck with the blog tour. I'm so upset that I can't join you, but I will be joining you at the Jaipur showroom at Design Camp, where the two of you will be sharing your global trends. We're very excited. And you can register right below this post. And we can't wait to see you at High Point. Thank you so much, Jackie.
Thanks so much for having us, and I cannot wait to get there and show you all the fantastic stuff that we're going to be showing in our trends presentation. There's some crazy, crazy new trends coming down.
Ooh, all right. Thank you. Bye, sweetie. We'll see you soon.
Okay.
Safe
Bye-bye.
flight.